One of the richest man in the world and one of the greatest investors, he said, this is his quote, and I don't joke with this quote. He said, never invest in what you don't understand. And I stand by that principle all the time. Before you invest in anything, make sure you study that thing, you understand it, and you know how it works. When you can explain and you can convincingly explain what you are investing in, then you know what you are putting your money into. A lot of you just know that crypto can make people rich. Crypto can change your life, can change you from turn your story, and the next thing you just start putting your money in cryptocurrency, you end up losing and buying the wrong coins, doing the wrong thing, taking the wrong investments. Now, how do you learn cryptocurrency? You learn by learning. There are a lot of good platforms out there with quality materials and quality content for free that can help you learn cryptocurrency. There are still some platforms that you can get paid content and also learn cryptocurrency. For example, Binance Academy, the same Binance exchange platform where you trade your Bitcoin, your Ethereum and co, have an academy where they have good materials. They talk of, you can learn about fundamentals of cryptocurrency, the technical aspect, every project, Ethereum, Cardano, Bitcoin, blockchain, any information about cryptocurrencies, risk management, how to build your portfolio, stuff like that. Very rich platform, but most of you guys don't even know about this. The ones that know do not even care, right? I spend time on Binance Academy learning. I've learned a lot. I've gained so much from Binance Academy. There's a platform called babypips.com. Babypips.com, there are a lot of quality content on babypips. Even on TradingView, there are so many good content on TradingView. If you go to Udemy, you can buy some courses. Yes, some of those courses are expensive, but they do a lot of offer, a lot of promo, and you can still get some quality, good free crypto courses on Udemy. And there are so many guys, experts that have made a lot of quality. You might not be able to afford them. I've bought a lot of courses and stuff like that. Now, you can subscribe on good crypto YouTube channels like BitBoy Crypto, Altcoin Daily, and so many platforms like that where you can learn about Coin Bureau. There are websites of cryptocurrencies. You have Crypto Potato. We still have the same Altcoin Daily website. We have Crypto News app. You can download that on Google Play Store. Go on Twitter, follow the top guys in this crypto space. Learn. So when you know so much about this form of investment, you become more confident. You now understand when it's time to buy. You now understand when it's time to sell. You know the time to hold on. You know the coins to buy. You know the ones to avoid. You learn how to do your own research. And before you know what is happening, you stop looking at crypto as a get-rich-quick scheme. A get-rich-quick scheme, and you start looking at it as a long-term form of investing, like an hustle, just like the way I see crypto, and you see all the possibilities. I trade crypto, I teach crypto, I have a crypto channel, and everything I have a big business around cryptocurrency. I also invest in stuff. So that is the way you become crypto smart, crypto rich, and you win in the long run. Guys, thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you find this content very good, please make sure you like this video, you share, you leave a positive comment. I really want to interact with you guys. Now, ask me questions on things you want me to talk about. Yes, and I will definitely make videos on those content. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another premium content. Alpha Crypto Wolf signing out.